Discipline didn't disappear. It was slowly replaced, and most people never noticed when it happened. There's a reason discipline feels harder now than it did years ago. Not because you're weaker, not because you lack willpower, but because the environment changed. Stoics understood something modern life tries to hide. Discipline is not a personality trait, it's a response to conditions. And right now, everything around you is designed to weaken it. 1. Life removed friction. Discipline grows where resistance exists. Hunger used to demand effort. Movement used to be required. Comfort had limits. Now, friction is optional. Food arrives instantly. Entertainment is endless. Discomfort can be avoided completely. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort because they understood this truth. When resistance disappears, discipline decays. If life never pushes back, the mind stops sharpening itself. 2. You're overstimulated, not unmotivated. Most people think they lack motivation. They don't. They're overstimulated. Constant input trains the brain to expect novelty, speed, and reward. Discipline feels boring in comparison. Stoics valued simplicity for this reason. A quiet mind can endure effort. A noisy mind looks for escape. Discipline doesn't survive in chaos. It needs silence, structure, and restraint. 3. Comfort feels like safety. Comfort convinces you it's protecting you. Avoid discomfort, avoid failure, avoid effort. But comfort doesn't protect, it softens. The Stoics warned that excessive comfort makes the mind fragile. When discomfort finally arrives, it feels unbearable. Discipline isn't about punishment, it's about preparedness. A disciplined man isn't harsh with himself, he's ready. 4. You were taught to wait for motivation. This is one of the most damaging lies. Do it when you feel ready. Start when you're inspired. Move when motivation strikes. Stoics rejected this completely. They acted from principle, not mood. Discipline comes first, motivation follows. Waiting to feel ready keeps you trapped in cycles of delay. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. 5. There's no structure holding you in place. Discipline doesn't exist in chaos. If your days have no structure, your willpower carries all the weight, and willpower always collapses under constant demand. Stoics built routines to conserve mental energy. Structure turns effort into habit. When discipline feels exhausting, it's often because everything depends on decision instead of design. 6. You've been taught to see discipline as restriction. Modern thinking frames discipline as limitation. Rules are oppressive, routine is boring, consistency is rigid. Stoics saw it differently. Discipline is freedom from impulse, freedom from distraction, freedom from regret. Without discipline, you are ruled by mood. With it, you govern yourself. 7. Discipline feels hard because it reveals what you've been avoiding, your excuses, your habits, your attachments. That discomfort isn't a sign to stop, it's a signal you're touching something real. Stoics leaned into that resistance. They understood growth lives there. Discipline didn't disappear, it was crowded out by comfort, by noise, by distraction. You don't need to become extreme. You need to become deliberate. Start small, create friction, reduce noise, build structure. Discipline will return when the conditions support it. If this clarified something for you, subscribe and continue with the next video in this series. The ideas build. Stay grounded, stay disciplined, stay driven.